loved this Maybelline Age Rewind. I have been so curious about it for so long, so I'm so excited that I got to try it today. Was it life-changing? Everyone goes on and on about this, and I've been really curious for a long time, so today is the day we try it out. Now, to see how much of a difference that this concealer makes, I'm going to do my makeup completely as I normally do. I already have on my Make Your Own foundation, and we're going to use this as the concealer, and then I'm going to set my face as normal, and then do the rest of my makeup exactly the same so I could really see if this makes a huge difference or not. Why do they gotta make everything so complicated? I just got my nails did. I might have done them myself. Class 2 come. There we go. And then I guess we just twist. Ooh. There's them in there. Get a little bit more. Ooh. It feels really like light. It glides on. Okay, let's blend. And now because I normally blend with my finger when I normally conceal, I'm going to do the same thing here. I don't want to change up anything else that I do except for the concealer that I'm using. I'm really liking the coverage. I feel like I just want like a little bit more though. It was my first time, you know, doing it, so I don't want to go like too crazy, but I feel like it just needs a little more. A real definite brightness to it. I feel like I look really a little bit washed out right now, but I'm gonna have to do the rest of my makeup to really see how it all just goes down. So let's set it. I always use my NYX Mineral Matte Finishing Powder. Okay, we are all set. Let me go finish the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. Okay, makeup is done, and I'm gonna be honest, at first I was like, I'm not sure I really see a difference between what I was doing and what I did today. I loved the way the formula felt when it went on. It was very smooth and light, and I really, really liked that, but I was like, is there really like a huge big difference? But then I actually Snapchatted with a friend of mine, and I used like a fun filter. Of course, I do that like every single day, so I really, really know what my face looks like in those filters, and I was like, oh, I noticed like without like changing the color and swiping the color of the filter that I was using, just like my face and just like the fun filter, I noticed like a brightness underneath my eyes, and I was like, oh, that's so interesting. I wonder if it's something that like maybe in person you're not going to see as much, but like it's going to show up in photos. So that's something I'm going to have to play with. I'm going to take a couple selfies and we can compare them. Let's do that now. So the photo that's on the left is a photo that I took last week, and the photo on the right is a photo that I just took right now. And I tried to choose a photo from last week that I could kind of recreate like the same pose and the same lighting. You know, when I'm looking at them, I really do think that I see like a brightness under my eyes today that I don't see in the one last week. And I mean, I did my makeup fairly similar. The one from last week, I have a little bit darker eyes, but not by much. So I really feel like it's a good comparison. I'm gonna say overall, I think I really, really like the concealer. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Overall, I have to say, I think I really, really do like this concealer. Do I think it's life-changing? I don't know if I think it's life-changing, but do I think it worked and I think I like it? Yeah, I think I liked it. Am I gonna buy it again? That's a great question. I'm definitely gonna use it and I'm gonna see how it wears, and I think that is how I'm going to tell after using it for, you know, a week or two. If I find that, oh man, I can't live without this, that's how I'm gonna really know. It's the test of time, I guess, where I'm going to be able to see if this concealer is something that I'm gonna buy over and over again. But right now, today, yeah, I really, really like it. I'm glad that I wore it today. Am I gonna wear it tomorrow? Heck yes, I am, because I can't test something out unless I use it. So, but overall, I really think I like this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I think it did a really good job. So if you were looking for a new concealer that wasn't too expensive, this is at a great price point. I think it was $7.99 at Target. You really can't beat that. So I'd say go out and get some. Try it for yourself. I know I'm going to be continuing to try it over the next couple weeks, and who knows, it might become a staple in what I do every day. And of course, I'll keep you updated. I hope this has helped if you've been trying to find a new concealer or were curious if this concealer actually worked. So if you did find this video helpful or entertaining or anything, please do make sure to hit that subscribe button and that big old thumbs up. And as always, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. If you are new to my channel and you enjoyed this class, believe me, there are plenty more where that came from. You can go back and look at all my different playlists that I have, and also you can subscribe and you can hit that little bell next to the subscribe button, and that is going to let you know when I upload a new class so you don't miss out on any more fun. So what are you waiting for? Go subscribe. Click on my face. Subscribe. I'll see you soon.